What do we have here? I don't know what this insect name is, pero ang ganda nila. They're both shiny, colors. Ayan, sana hindi sila lumipad. And actually they're drinking dun sa fruit, parang fruit niya. Oh. Let's see them on another angle. Oops, who's this guy? Ayan, they're so pretty, yung colors nilang ganda.